Which jurisdiction should I choose for doing an STO? That is the main question our clients ask when coming to get our advice. And in this next series of videos, we're going to discuss various parts of that complex question. The point number one that we discussed today is the fact where do you store the records about your register of shareholders. See, in most jurisdictions, your register of shareholders should be stored and reported in the government business register at government authorities, which means that you not only should constantly report your ownership structure, but when any change happens, you should get a notarized information about the change and send it to the government. Why is it problematic? Because it kills the efficiency benefits of the offering and kills the liquidity. If every single transaction should get an approval and be notarized, which means that in many jurisdictions, offering shares in your STO will be impossible. However, there are certain jurisdictions in which you can store your shares directly on the blockchain. Legislation is evolving very fast in many countries, and at the time of filming this video, to our knowledge, there are 3 jurisdictions in which you can store your register directly on the blockchain and make a report only once a year or something like that. These 3 jurisdictions are the United States of America, Switzerland, and Liechtenstein. The most easy jurisdiction for doing an STO, the most cheap one, is the United States, where the company incorporation and other stuff will only a few $1,000s. On the comparison, Switzerland and Liechtenstein are more expensive, and only incorporation and opening of a bank account may cost up to 10,000 euros in this jurisdiction, although there are some benefits to them. So if you're going to offer shares in your STO, these 3 jurisdictions are your choice in order to see where you're going and in order to have at least some liquidity for your shares. But what if you don't want to choose any one of them and any of them from some reason doesn't work? For example, from the point of double taxation, United States have double taxation with many countries around the world. In this case, there are other things you can consider, which we will discuss in our next videos. Thank you for attention. I hope it was useful for you. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Share it with your friends and colleagues for whom you think doing an STO and this video may be useful. And see you in the next episode.